Superlocal Fans introduces a powerful new feature called Review Manager. In this video, we'll walk through how to connect your Google Business profile and automatically manage and reply to customer reviews with ease. Let's get started. First, make sure your Google Business profile, or GMB account, is connected. Go to the integration page and connect your GMB account if it's not already connected. This step is required for Review Manager to work. Once connected, navigate to the left side menu and click on Review Manager. This will open the Review Manager dashboard where all your Google reviews will appear. From the Review Manager dashboard, click on the settings icon located in the top right corner. This is where you control how replies are handled. Inside the settings panel, enable the Auto Reply option. This allows Superlocal Fans to automatically respond to incoming Google reviews. You'll see two types of reply options: AI-generated replies, rating-based template replies. You can use either one depending on your preference. For AI replies, you can select the tone of voice, such as professional, friendly, or polite. Then, add a short business context, for example, what your business does or how you treat customers. This helps the AI generate replies that sound natural and human-like. In the rating-based reply section, you can create custom templates for different star ratings. For example, one reply for 5-star reviews and another for lower ratings. This gives you full control over how responses are handled. Whenever a new Google review is received, it will appear directly inside the Review Manager dashboard. Replies will be sent automatically based on your settings. In the Insights section, you can track average rating, total reviews, response rate, average response time. This helps you understand customer engagement and performance at a glance. If you manage multiple locations, you can easily switch between them at any time. Please note that reviews may take some time to appear, as Google needs time to process and sync updates. That's it! With Review Manager, you can automate replies, stay responsive, and manage customer feedback effortlessly, all from Superlocal Fans. Thanks for watching.